name's Brandon Evans, and welcome to the Microbiology News. Today's topic is about leukemia and human T-cell leukemia. Leukemia is the cancer of blood cells. Leukemia mainly focuses on white blood cells. There are two main types of white blood cells that would attack. There are lymphoid cells and myeloid cells. This can happen in either type of white blood cell. Leukemia can be grouped into two types. The first one can be how fast it can develop and which type of blood cell is involved. And then it would categorize into causing problems like anemia, bruising, and bleeding. The first type of leukemia talks about is acute leukemia. This happens when most of the abnormal blood cells stay immature and unable to carry out most functions. This can attack really fast on someone. Chronic leukemia is where some of the immature cells grow and it will grow only slow. The cause of leukemia is unknown. Abnormal chromosomes is something that is found about people that would have leukemia. The treatments are chemotherapy, radiation, biologic therapy, targeted therapy, stem cell treatment, and surgery. Now I'm done with talking about leukemia. Now going to human T-cell leukemia. It was the first human retrovirus discovered. It can be found through blood transfusions, sexual contact, and sharing of needles. In November of 1988, the FDA recommended the blood donations to screen donors to see if it was positive for human T-cell leukemia. 2,000 of the donors were infected with this virus. Type 1 of human T-cell leukemia, it could be caused by blood transfusion, sexual contact, and the sharing of needles. It's also said that the epidemic was spread from other countries like Japan, Melanesia, Iran, Central and West Africa, the Caribbean, Australia, and the Middle East. The virus affects the T lymphocytes and is generally composed of the positive single-strand RNA. Human T-cell leukemia type 1 infected humans could progress into adult T-cell leukemia, which would end up being aggressive and would turn into an aggressive form of leukemia. There is no treatment for it yet. And there is another type, the second type of human T-cell leukemia, which is type 2, which can also develop neurological problems and other medical problems. And as the same as the first one, there is no cure. I'm Brandon Evans. Now back to you, Dr. Santos.